So just what is happening with Dell? Well, they're getting multiple bids. Of course, the founder, Michael Dell, wants to buy the company at $13.65 a share. Well, now Carl Icahn is coming in with $14 a share. So what's an investor supposed to do when they want to trade a stock like this? Well, I've got Scott Redler from T3 here with us. So Scott, we've got these competing bids. We've got a stock that's kind of starting to flatline here, not sure whether it's going to go higher or lower on these bids. How can you trade around something like this? It's a big name. I mean, it's a legacy computer company.
I think it's more of a headline. I don't think traders are even looking at it. There was some action in there a few months ago when it ignited and it went. There was some controversy. Was it going to be in 14? It was trading as high as 14.50. And like you said, it's just flatlining now. So I think anyone who's involved is already involved. If you want to be involved, I don't think there's that much upside. You're talking about, 50, 60 cents. So if you wanted to be in it, I would say do a call spread. Right, I think the maximum this deal gets done at is between 14 and 14.5. So maybe you buy the $13 August calls, okay, because it probably happens between now and mid-August if it's going to happen, and sell the 14s to help finance it. So you're involved. If you wake up one day, they get the 14 and change, you make some money, but I don't think it's a focus.
Could you see perhaps that the whole thing might fall apart, that it just might be a total disaster, and then there might be a short opportunity, or is that a real long shot?
I think you shouldn't be playing this to the downside. We've seen this happen. We saw when Yahoo was trying to get taken over by Microsoft. They wanted a few extra billion, and it went from 33 down to 15. You've seen deals fall apart. But I would say that's why I wouldn't be buying the stock here, just in case it does. You do an option call spread. But there is chance. It was down in the 9s before it did have the bounce. So if it does fall apart, they're old technology. It's old school. They don't have new products. I don't like their business model at all. So I think they should just take their money and run.
All right. Well, there you have it from Scott Redler. If you're thinking about doing Dell, he's saying don't do it. Just look at the options, but don't buy Dell here. That's Scott Redler from T3, and I'm Deborah Borchardt with The Street.